Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is sales forecasting. Knowing what your future customer demand looks like so that you can meet changing expectations. We are starting to see demands increase in the pipeline, and not all clients are ready. So what should we be thinking about in creating a demand plan? Well, a couple of things. Number one is we should be talking to customers. Sounds really obvious, but who is connected to the customers and what are they saying? Number two is we need to be adding additional insights. Be looking at customer level forecasts. Be looking at quotes. How many quotes are won? What's the trend look like? What about new products? All sorts of customer and product and market insights. Add them into your forecast. Number three, let's take a reality check. Make the demand plan a part of your SIOP process, sales, inventory, operations planning. You need to be looking at this from a 360 view. Once everyone aligns on this is our best estimate of what's going to happen in the future, you must prepare for that to happen. Look at capacity, staffing, materials, purchase agreements. Prepare for success.